Welcome back to Tangata Pasifika. In Samoa, a local spice and age-old remedy has been given new life to improve the health of its users.
Turmeric is a plant that's been used in cooking and in traditional medicine to aid, among other things, inflammation in the body. Now it's been made into a drink its maker says can keep the doctor away. So Ana Kei Ahulele has this story.
He's mixing not just any smoothie, this has a special ingredient.
The ingredient is pretty much this baby.
It's turmeric or linga, mixed together with a healthy fusion of fruit to make it taste good.
That's beautiful, yeah.
And Etu Tusitala, or Sir Life to some, has just revived an old remedy, fine-tuned it and made it his own.
It's being made in Samoa. It's a turmeric drink. It's a first of its kind. The drink has a lot of work gone through to it.
And like his hair, the turmeric is wild.
The reason why I call it wild turmeric, because this turmeric that I've developed comes from Savaii and actually grows wild on the rocks.
Commonly used in making curry, turmeric is also a traditional medicine dating back hundreds of years. In the past, coconut oil was infused with turmeric and used as a soothing and edible antiseptic because of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits.
Our grandfathers and grandmothers, they used this turmeric for all purpose of like cuts, in the old days. They actually use for all different remedies.
A holistic therapist, Etu has created the drink to try and help ease pain for sufferers of non-communicable diseases such as diabetes, arthritis and inflammation.
The treatment that I developed through my being in New York and knowing that, I've developed a technique that works primarily on the body to bring inflammations into control. Now, the treatments is based on alignments and bring the body back into function. And I need something to actually help internally, so the drink came with the treatment.
While on a recent holiday in Samoa, Colin Stevens was keen to try the remedy after reading an article in the local paper.
I'm a diabetic, have been for 40 odd years. Plus I do have a swollen prostate for which you can take a pill and that's it. Read this article of the Samoan Lega drink and I thought, wow, that sounds like something worth trying.
He's suffering from inflammation. So all I want to do with Colin is actually trying to give him the treatment and give him the drink to bring down the inflammation.
For now, Sir Life is all about sending a positive message to live a healthy and long life.
Really for me, I'm just bringing something that it's naturally made and trying to say to the people of the Pacific, try and eat healthy and also start checking all of the things that you might think that it might go wrong. So it's good for our people to know that there is something from the island. Instead of going for tablets, there's an alternative. So this is what the alternative is.